Today I am going to finally be opening this bad boy right here. So I got this Instapot lid, air fryer lid, because I didn't want to buy an air fryer since I don't need another appliance in my life. So hopefully this will work out well. But yeah, I'm gonna try and use it today because my sister-in-law has been kind of asking me how it's working and I don't have an answer because I've never opened it. So let's try to use it aujourd'hui. So it says this is what's included: hydrating tray or broil hydrating tray, multi-level air fryer basket, the base, and a protective pad and storage cover. Okay. This looks way too small to fit a chicken, so I'm not even gonna bother using this. Although I read that this helps. I read that this helps with like the browning process or whatever, but there's no way that that bird is entering in there. What we are gonna do is put this back in here. I'm going to add some more seasoning to this because I can, and also because I want to. But no, because I feel like it's not as seasoned as I'd like. So I'm going to add a little bit of the lemon pepper, a sprinkle. Or maybe I should have done this in here. I should have done this in here. Okay, let's take it back out again. I don't think it matters much, but okay, so we'll pop this back, and then what else? Butter. Okay. Got a little bit here. Just gonna. It's all buttered up. Now I just have to make sure that I remove both those from the switch, because they really want to make sure you don't accidentally plug the Instapot and the lid at the same time. Okay, so they even have a safety feature to make sure you don't accidentally do this. So, okay. Oh, I guess you just place it on rather than screwing it on. And I'm gonna put start. Wait. What am I gonna do? Air fry. I'm gonna put air fry. And it says which one. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna press start. I feel like, is it sitting properly? I think it is. So I'm gonna do start. Okay, and it's making a sound, and I'm gonna step away in case it blows up. Okay, there was a beep at 10 minutes. So I think I'm gonna just lift and see what it looks like. And then there's this thing, which you kind of rest your stuff. It looks like it's browning, but it's definitely not crunchy. I'm gonna put this back. And it just continues. Here we go, backyard. That is so cool.
She's a big one, eh?
Oh my gosh. That is so awesome. Oh, that made me so happy.
Look how big she is.
She's so cute. Look at her butt.
Hey.
So cool. Okay, so another beep. I feel like I want to just open to see if it's like crispy or not. Whoa. Yo, it's not actually crispy, but it's definitely roasted. Like, it's more like a rotisserie chicken. I mean, pretty good actually. I wonder if I should turn it the other way. Maybe I'll do that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's, some parts of it are, you can hear the crunch. But I'd say it looks more like a rotisserie chicken in general, which is pretty good to be honest, but I don't think the back has browned at all, so I might flip it the other way around or not. I'm gonna take it out right now. I could flip the bird. I could flip the bird the other way around to get a brown on that side. Should I? Maybe I will. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and then I'm just gonna put this in there, and then
Look at that bird.
put this over here. Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, so I'm gonna cook the plantain the same way, like just see how that goes. I just put some butter on it, and I'll just use the same setting, so the air fry, and then start. I don't actually think the full 20 minutes is necessary, but hey, we'll see. And that's what the bird looks like. Looks pretty juicy. Yes, so this is what the plantain looks like. It actually worked out pretty nicely in terms of the browning. I mean, it's a little on the darker side, I guess, but I like that it was able to make everything brown without much fuss. I would actually use less oil next time, or butter. Normally I use oil for plantain, but and it tastes pretty good. In theory, if you wanted to make more, you could actually add this thing to the basket and then put more stuff on top. So, but I only wanted to make this much. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with these results. But I will continue trying to make different things in the air fryer so that I can give an honest update sometime. For what it is, I'm pretty happy with it, and it is something that hopefully I will use more frequently and not just pile on. But yeah, so that is it for this video.